Hey guys and gals of the tubes. So got me something pretty cool from Amazon. It's a clear lock, and it comes with a whole freaking shitload of lock picks. Pretty freaking sweet ash. I've been picking fucking everything. I've been picking my ass, picking my nose. Yeah, check that fucking shit out. It's freaking sweet. But these are cool, man. I'll show you how fast I can pick a lock now. Only after a couple hours of practice today. A little bit at the shop, but I mastered it since I got home. I even picked my front door. So we'll show you the lock. Hopefully the camera's going to focus. It shows you the tumblers and stuff so you can actually learn how a lock works. So there it is unlocked. I'll take the key out, lock it. See that? Yeah, check that fucking shit out. So I'll back up so you can see that I'm not even looking at the lock. I'm going to use this and this. And then get this son of a bitch open faster than a blink of an eye. Alright, check this fucking shit out. This is fucking sweet. This pick's called a rake. Okay, so I won't even look. You can feel it. Look at that. Check that fucking shit out. I am a fucking master locksmith. Oh, I love this. That's the most fun I've had in a long time besides my 3D printed whistle. Yeah, check that fucking shit out.